The shocking truth about how to make $10,000 a month. With the correct advice, dedication, and a little effort, you could earn an extra $500 to $1,000 every month. So, after saying all that, here's my list of 10 tried and true ways to transform your existing knowledge into a 5-figure monthly revenue stream, complete with real-life examples. Ways how to make a month $10,000 without much capital. 1. Share your expertise. Are you an expert woodworker? Do you enjoy detailing cars? Maybe you're into home renovations. You may now earn a consistent monthly income by teaching people how to do precisely what you do to achieve the same results. 2. Teach online courses. I'm sure you know a lot of stuff that only a few individuals are aware of. Music, programming, sales, or yoga are all options. These are talents that people are always looking to learn on the internet. 3. Sell other people's products. With Amazon FBA, many people have the opportunity to make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and it works like this. You send your items to Amazon and set your own pricing. You are compensated, minus 30% they deduct for all of the heavy work. 4. Profit from your crafts. Do you enjoy making crafts, art, or other handcrafted items? Etsy is an online marketplace where people from all over the world sell their handmade goods. 5. Design and sell merch. Are you a lover of t-shirts that are unique, quirky, or nerdy? By creating t-shirts, mugs, and other items, you may earn money on a monthly basis. You can easily submit your designs and run your online business using services like Printify or Printful. 6. Start a podcast. Is there a subject about which you are very knowledgeable? Podcasters and podcast listeners have a plethora of topics to choose from. Advertisers pay you to put ads on your program, or you may generate money by accepting Patreon contributions from your listeners. 7. Market other people's products. Affiliate marketing is when you direct customers to existing products or services in exchange for a modest commission from the company. 8. Send emails. With an email newsletter, you can generate money. Sending out valuable information could be beneficial for everyone involved, and there are a variety of ways to do so. Send out money management or financial advice. You can get a sponsor or advertising if you have enough subscribers. 9. Sell digital products like ebooks. I have heard of many self-published authors who has written and self-published a number of books and sold them on Amazon. Most make well over $3,000 each month. You might want to try writing books if you have something to say, a tale to tell, or a subject to teach. 10. Review stuff. There are businesses that will pay you to write reviews for their products. Why not establish your own YouTube channel where you can provide reviews that aren't sponsored by any company?